Thanks, Aku. Zwera Kangela Paz. Okay. Welcome everyone to the Kidding Season Bootcamp, where we learn about how to look after newborn kids from the time that they are born right up to the time that they are weaned. Last week we talked about from day one, the day that they are born, up to day 10, right? And day 10, we had started to introduce crib feed, which is like a normal feed, so that they can start learning how to nibble, how to eat. And at the same time, we need to include hay in all of that so that they can also start learning to nibble on hay. And those two things are important for their growth because they do need that hay. They need the crib feed to promote growth and to help their rumen to develop. So today we are starting from day 14. We did day 1 to 10. There's nothing between day 10 and day 14 except ensuring that they are fed. You keep checking that they are okay, they are feeding well, and there's no challenges. So day 14, we give them pulpy kidney vaccine. Somebody asked last week. We give them pulpy kidney vaccine, and then day 28, between day 28 and day 30, we deworm, especially for the milk tapeworm. And then we also repeat the E-selenium and the long-acting oxytetracycline. You remember we give it immediately, like on days 1 and 2. So this one is a repeat on day 28 or day 30, whichever works out for you. Then on day 50, we repeat the pulpy kidney, which is a booster. Yeah. And then on day 60, we deworm again and we give them another shot of the long-acting oxytetracycline. And then days 90 to 100, because your kids are born at different times. So that's why we allow for that wide gap between days of weaning. We wean between days 90 and day 100. Maybe some will even be more than 100 days. But because we want to do it at the same time for kids born at slightly different times. So it will range from, say, day 100 or even up to 110 for some of them. So on this day, you have to check their weight, which is called the weaning weight. We have to deworm them, and then we give them another shot of the long-acting oxytetracycline. So to go over again why we give long-acting oxytetracycline is to protect the kids from heart water, which is a tick-borne disease. That's very, very important. It's one of the biggest killers of goats. It's one of the biggest killers of kids, the heartworm. Heartworm, what am I talking about? I'm talking Greek now. Heart water, not heartworm, because I'm thinking of deworming. So it's heart water. Please make note of that. There's no such thing as heartworm. Okay, that's fine. So we can move on to other things now. Thank you so much.